What are you, crazy? Why would you take your Mac anywhere else but Proactechs? Here at Proactechs, we can repair the entire Apple product line, from iPhones to Mac, in or out of warranty. Why would you take your product anywhere else? It's super fast. We have repairs that are done same day or next day. And best of all, we can also support you at home or in your office. Our business is repeat business. We're here for you. We have senior technicians, we have fast turnaround times, and most of all, honesty. Honesty first. Sometimes it's $69 that will fix your computer. We're not going to make up some part that you don't need. We're going to give you the honest answer to the one part that is broken on your device and fix it at a reasonable cost. Here at Proactechs, not only are we an authorized service provider, but we're in the premium tier. That means that we have a contract with Apple to repair your product the exact same way that Apple has intended it to be repaired, with the Apple original parts and bringing it back to its original condition. I used to work at Apple Retail, and when I worked there, I saw that there was a gap that we could fill for our customers. That's why I started this business 8 years ago. One of the most popular services we have is data recovery. Sometimes you don't want to fix your computer, you just want to buy a new one. Or you want to fix it, but your data is still there, and that is a lot of times the most valuable thing you have. So we can get that data back from your phone or from your Mac. We'll recover it with experts on staff. When you walk into our store, you can expect a cafecito, a bottle of water, and an incredible staff that will make you feel at home. Don't panic. Call us or come right in. We are the Apple Premium Service Provider you can trust.